Hi, I'm Walkster1970 and today I'm going to be installing a replacement rear tire on the 1983 Honda Shadow VT750C. Let's get started. Okay, I've got the bike supported on the jack and it is held in place with motorcycle straps, and now I'm going to take off the bolt on the rear here. This bolt for the axle is a 23 millimeter. Hopefully it's not very tight. 22 millimeter, sorry. It's pretty tight. I'm gonna have to get an impact gun. See if we can get her off now. Try the bigger gun. I don't know if that'll do it either, if that won't take it off. See if this gun will take it off. There we go. Wow, it was pretty rusty. Okay, this pinch bolt is a 12 millimeter. Hopefully take this bolt out. There you go. There is a bolt down here that needs to come off. I believe that's not a 12. 13 or 14. 14. Take that bolt out. Okay, I'm going to take the valve stem cap off. Take the core out of the stem. I'm going to take a plastic mallet, have the nut flush on the axle. Hopefully I can knock it loose. Oh, yeah, it came right out. So let me take this off. I didn't expect that to come out that easy. Trying not to scratch up the exhaust. Pulling the pin out. We go back and forth a little bit. There we go. And then I want to try to support this. Get this spacer out. Slide the wheel over, down, and then with any luck, it'll work out through. Out through here. There we go. It looks pretty good. Now we gotta see if we can get this tire off. I'm gonna use some of this Super Clean. Sprayed around the contact area of the bead. See if I can get in underneath it and break the bead off. I'm going to be using these big rods that I got from Harbor Freight. Let's see how tough the bead is. Yeah, we're going to do the alternate method, I do believe. Okay, I got the jack underneath. It was a ratchet with the strap going around the jack. Hooked down in front here. Hopefully I'm not on the rim and I need to go back a little bit further. Get in there and break the bead. Should be good. That looks pretty good. do the same thing with the other side, I think. That's good. Spray some juice on this side. See if I can get this off. Let's start on this side. Got that out of there. I just need to get the bead work on this other side. There we go. Finally. See if I can get her out of there. Now I got this tire finally off. Got me like crazy. I'm going to use some brake clean and clean up the contact area for the new tire. Okay, this is a Kenda 140/90/15. Direction of travel is this way. So I'm going to lube up this side of the tire. I'm gonna put that on the spray. Yeah, let's go stream. And then hopefully just push it down over. Wow, I'm just having problems with this, aren't I? Almost. There we go. Okay, is there a dot? Yeah, there is a dot. Dot on here. You can see, should line up pretty close to the valve stem. Most balanced point of the tire. But it's probably not going to stay in that spot. And I probably want to rotate this around so that the valve stem will be the last part to go on. I'm trying to angle this over. There we go. Woo! Oh. Make sure we have a rotation right. Better be. Rotation. This way. It is correct. See how close we are on our center valve stem. Pretty close. There we go. That's good. Let's get some air in that. Okay, let's get some air in this tire. More than that. Well, let's go and see if I can get it back on the bike. Guess I should check it, see if I have any leaks. How much air do I have in it? About 20 pounds. Looks good. Check the other side. Pretty good. Don't see any leaks. Let's get her back up on there. Okay, put a little grease in the gears here. I'm gonna slide the tire back up in. There we go. Now slide her back up in. Spacer's got to go in there. I'll get the pin back in. There we go. Putting that grease up on it. Get the hole in. There we go. Tire's back on. Put this bolt back in. Put this one back in for the brake. Let's see. Try to tighten that up a little bit more. That should be good. Maybe a little tighter. There we go. Let's get the pinch bolt back in there. Let's see what the torque specs are for these. Torque specs for this bolt are 43 to 58 foot-pounds. So I can get to 50. That's 50 foot-pounds. Or 60 to 80 Newton meters. Torque specs for the pinch bolt are 14 to 22 foot-pounds or 20 to 30 Newton meters. I am setting it to 20 foot-pounds. Now I gotta tighten this last bolt. Torque specs for that bolt are 15 to 25 Newton meters or 11 to 18 foot-pounds. I'm gonna set it to 15 foot-pounds. There we go, that's 15 foot-pounds. Tire pressure is supposed to be 32 psi. It's 25. 30. $32. Valve stem back on. Valve stem cap. And that should do it. Well, I'll do it for installing a replacement rear tire on the 1983 Honda Shadow VT 750C. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.